Hi friends, today I am going to teach about 10th class SSC Maths sets. So 1 and 2 marks questions. Already 4 marks questions are over in other video. Please watch and subscribe and also share with your friends. And here I am going to give small introduction. Actually set means collection of well-defined objects. So what are well-defined? Well-defined means already we know very well. For example, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 we know very well. Those are well-defined. And subjects of our 10th class maths, Telugu, Hindi, English, physical science, they are also well defined. That's then many we can give examples. So for example, I am giving some examples. Subjects of 10th class, it can be written as in set A equal set of x such that x is a subject of 10th class. I gave you one example here for a set. Similarly, vowels in a English alphabet. If we take the statement vowels in English alphabet, so how can we write in set? Some set B equal set of x such that x is a vowels in English alphabet. This is a set. And one more example, natural numbers. How can we define in a set? For example, set C equal set of x such that x is a natural number. So like that, x is a whole number, x is a integer. Not only these, and also we can write many more examples. These are all examples. But moreover, we write in statements a set, and also it can be written as, or we can write set A equal, what is this? Subjects of 10th class. What are the subjects of 10th class? Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Physical Science, Biological Science, Social. So this is a set. So we can represent in two ways, like in statements and in list of numbers. So if we write in statements, that is called set builder form. If we write a list of numbers, it's called roster form. So this is called roster form. Here the most important thing is we should write roster form when the set builder form is given. So this is called set builder form. For example, for this x says that x is a vowel number. So for this, how can we write roster form? What is the statement here? Vowels. Vowels in English alphabet. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So this is the roster form. This is the set builder form. And here also natural numbers. So C equal, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so and so and so. These are natural numbers. Similarly, whole numbers. So whole numbers start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so are called whole numbers. Okay? Yeah. These are roster form. This is set builder form. And moreover, here the list of number of elements are finite. Finite. So this is called finite set. And this also number of elements are, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. This is a finite. So it is a finite set. But here, how many, what is the last element? We don't know. So it is called infinite set, because of there are infinite many numbers here also. So the finite sets and infinite set. In this way also we can understand. So roster form and set builder form. So some more basics regarding the sets. You know what are odd numbers, even numbers. This we know. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so and so. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so and so. You know, to do solve these sums in this chapter, we should know some words which are used in mathematics. Factors, like factors or divisors. For example, what are the factors of 2? So it comes in one table and two table. So 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. Then what are the factors of 3? Say 1 and 3. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What are the factors of 5? 1, 5. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the factors of 7? 1, 7. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. What about factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 11? 1, 11. Factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So now I think you understood Whatever factors means what? Factors means in which table it comes. For example, 2 comes in only 1 and 2 table. 4 comes in 1 and 2 and 4 table. 7 comes in 1 and 7 table. So this is the factors. Here, which numbers have only 2 factors? Here 2 has only 2 factors. So 3 also has only 2 factors. And 5 also have only 2 factors. 7 also have only 2 factors. And 11 also have only 2 factors. If a number has only 2 factors, that is called prime number. So what are prime numbers here? Prime numbers means, what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, so and so. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, similarly 17 and what? 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, so like so and so, those are prime numbers. What about remaining numbers? This 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and as next to 14, 15, 16 etc. Those has a name, that is composite number. Composite numbers. So composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, so and so. So this is the concept about prime numbers and composite numbers using factors. And one is not prime nor composite. So one is neither prime nor composite. So one prime kaadu, composite kaadu, because of it has not have 2 factors. It has no more than 2 factors. Okay, 2 more questions. Just now we have discussed about some basics regarding the words which are in comes in problems. So first question is, if capital A equal set of x such that x is a factor of 24, find n of A. So from March 19. So here we have to write factors of 24. So 24 in which table it can be written? In one table, 1 into 24, in 2 table, 2 into 12, in 3 table, 3 into 8, in 4 table, 4 into 6, in 5 table, no, in 6 table, again 6 into 4, in 8 table, so on. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. This is it. Roster form. So set builder form is given. Using set builder form, we write in roster form. Then next count. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are there. So number of elements in A is equal to 8. N of A means what? N of A means number of elements in set A is equal to 8. This is the solution. So I am taking second question. If A equal set of x such that x belongs to n, x is a composite number, x less than 13. Write roster form. So what are the composite numbers? Just now we have discussed. Composite numbers means it has more than 2 factors. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, no. 12, yes. Next 13, no. 14, 15, 16. But we should write x less than 13. So below 13 we should stop. That is set builder, roster form. It is over. June 16. That is. Next, B is a set of all months in a year having 30 days. So here we have to know, we should know which months having only 30 days. Is it January has 30 days? No, it has 31 days. Next February? No. March? No. April? Yes. So April. And May has 31 days? No. June? Yes. June has 30 days. And July? It has 31 days. So it doesn't come. August? Also it has 31 days. It doesn't come. September? Next October? No. Next November. And December 31. So these only having 30 days. So this is called a roster form of given statement. So June 15th question. Next here, if you see fourth question, if capital A equals set of 1 comma 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16 comma 1 by 25, write set builder form. So up to here gave set builder form and we should write roster form. But here, given roster form, asking set builder form. So, A equal X as that. See, can you observe this is 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, 1 by 25. These are the perfect squares. This is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square, this is 5 square. So, by some n square, this is by some n square. What is in the numerator? Always 1. So, x is equal 1 by n square. X is equal 1 by n square. What about n value? N value always here nothing means 1 by 1 is there. Can be understood as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So n place up to 5 only. So n less than or equal to 5. So n less than or equal to 5 means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up to there only. So n value belongs to n. This is the set builder form. Very simple. If you observe the question, this is in the form of 1 by 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16. So 1 by 1 is must in the numerator. So by what we have to write? So by, it is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So it is n square. So what is the n value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n less than or equal to 5 means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Natural numbers. Those are. Okay? Clear? Yes. Next. If A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal 3, 4, 5, 6, find A intersection B. So very easy. Given that A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a given information. Asking A intersection B. Therefore, A intersection B equal first A write down, next intersection write down, next B write down. First A. A means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next intersection. Next B. B means what? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay na? Once again I am saying intersection means what? Intersection means common elements. Common elements of in both sides. What are the common in both? 3 is common and 4 is common and 5 is common. So what are the common elements? 3, 4, 5. So intersection means common elements. Next, sixth question. If A equal set of x such that x is a factor of 12. X is a factor of 12. And B equal x such that x is a factor of 6. Factor of 6. Find A union B and A intersection B. This is also previous question. Okay. So set A is given that x such that x is a factor of 12. So therefore according to that set A can be written as what are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12? It comes in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, 12 table. So A means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Say 12, 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Next B. So what is B? X says that x is a factor of 6. So what are the factors of 6? 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the set of B. So we got it A and B. And then asking for A union B. So first one, A union B is equal. First A write down. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Next what? Union. Yes, union. Next B. So B means what? 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. So now union means what? Union means we have to write all the elements of A also B. So what are the elements of A, B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1 also come, but already it is written. So second time we should not write. If any one is repeated, don't write again. 2 we have to write, but it is already written. So don't write again. 3 also, 6 also. So this is A union B. So we can observe here A union B also we got it set A. So which is equal set A. The first one. Question
12 Manchirai.
A intersection B. So A intersection B. So first write A. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Next what? Intersection. Intersection. Next what? B. So B means what? 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So here intersection means common elements. So 1 is common and 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common. So what are common? 1, 2, 3, 6. So which is called what? B. See. So just A union B, A write down and union write down, B write down. Union means all the elements. A intersection means common elements. This is the answer. Take 7th question just for your answer. First one. X says that X belongs to N, X less than 2015. Is finite or infinite? Okay. First write down in set builder form, roster form. Natural numbers below 2015. What are the natural numbers? 3, 4, 5, 6, so and so and so. Up to where we have to write here, condition is given X less than 2015. So less than 2015 means what? 2014. Okay, 2015. So 2014. Is it finite or infinite? Now tell me. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2014. 2014 elements are there in that. That is a finite. If it cannot possible to count, that is infinite. If it is possible to say count, that is finite. So is a finite set. So answer is over. Finite or infinite means finite is there. What is second B? X says that X plus 5 equal to 5. I am simplifying this. X plus 5 equal to 5. So 5 equal, first one. So plus 5 send right side goes to minus 5. 5 minus 5 how much? 0. So X is equal to what? 0. So there are only one element. B equals set of 0. By solving this, we got X value is 0. So only 1 0 we got it. So B equals set of 0. So how many elements are there? One element is there. So there is only one element. If it has one element, that is called singleton set, because of it is a single number. So is a singleton set. Okay, no? You may have doubt. Sir, question is asking is whether it is null set or universal set. Null set means there must be no elements. Asal elements e undadu. Zero kuda undadu. Appudu null set. Universal means what? Set of all the elements is called universal set. Means the large number of set is universal. So whatever here we got only one element, that is called single element, that is called singleton set. Okay. And next, so list of all the subsets of A equal X, Y, Z. So very important, this is most probably it comes for 2 marks question. Subsets means how can we write? See, before write subset, we can say how many subsets are there. How? For example, see here there are 1, 2, 3 elements are there. So n of A, number of elements in set A, how many are there? 3 are there. So therefore, number of subsets, we have a formula is equal 2 power n of A. 2 power n of A is equal 2 power, how many are there? 3. So 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 8. So we get 8 subsets. What are there? So subsets, list of subsets are, first one is empty set, that is pi, Phi. First one is empty set, that is pi, don't give bracket. Then next one, first element X, next one second element Y, next one third element Z, and then first two X comma Y, and next two Y comma Z, and first and last X comma Z, and all the elements X comma Y comma Z. These are all the subsets. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, na? We should get 8. So 8 are there. So this is the subsets. Not only X, Y, Z, for 1, 2, 3, for any numbers also we can write in the same way. Okay, na? Thank you. So dear friends, these are the 1 and 2 marks questions. In other video, I give you same 1 and 2 marks questions which are from Venn diagrams. Before that, please subscribe and like and also share with your friends and your groups. Thank you very much. Wait for other video. Thank you.